Hi everyone, my name is Gabe Crisologo, Applications Engineer here at Hawkridge Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to get your decals to show in your drawing views using a non-shaded display style, and we're going to accomplish this by using display states. For those of you that are unfamiliar with what display states are, you can think of them as configurations for appearances and how you want to show your model, such as hiding and showing components, transparency options, colors and appearances, and display modes. The part that I'm using for this example is the same USB flash drive that I used to show in a previous video how to apply decals and create an image mask file. So I already have the decal and appearances applied at the component level. Right? So the part that I want to focus on is the USB body here, and I created a drawing for that here. Okay. So if you want to show the decal in your drawing view, you have to actually set this to a shaded display style. Okay, so I set it to shaded with edges, and you can see the decal and the logo, right? So there may be a situation where you want to show the logo of your decal, but not have the rest of your part shaded. You want to show it in the hidden lines removed, right? So how do you do that? I'm going to switch back to the part here, and I'm going to create a new display state, and that's found under the configuration manager here. So if I go to the bottom here and I right click in this gray area, I can add a display state, and I'm going to go ahead and rename this one decal shaded, okay, and switch back to my feature tree. You'll note that the display style is set to shaded with edges, and I'm going to go ahead and expand this display pane. I also have my solid bodies folder set to show all the time, and to do that you can right click and say hide show tree items and have solid bodies set to show here. Now the reason I do that is so I can expand this folder and I can actually control the actual display mode for this specific body. So if I have this set to default display, it's going to show just like it would with this set. But if I actually override this and I set this to hidden lines removed, then I can show my part, the actual solid body, as a hidden lines removed display style with the actual logo showing shaded. So if I switch back to the drawing, I can actually set this to use that new display state that we just created, decal shaded, and you can see how we were able to accomplish that there. Okay, you can do the same workflow in the assembly environment. So if we first, since we have this display state already created for this one, we can create a new assembly level display state, and we'll call this one decal shaded as well. Switch back to my feature tree, expand the display pane. Right, first thing I'm going to do, since we already have a display state set for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and toggle that one on, decal shaded. So you can see that we need to do the same for the rest of these components. So since this was patterned, I expanded that pattern, and I'm just holding control to select these multiply, and we'll go ahead and change this to all hidden lines removed, and that's how we get that to show just like we did at the component level. Okay. So if we wanted to, we can go ahead and create a drawing view with this entire assembly, and that's how you do that there. Okay. So I just showed you how to create new display states and change the display style and the display modes for each of your components, and apply that into the drawing, so that way you can create drawing views that have your decals or your logos showing in the shaded display style, while you have your assembly or all your components shown with hidden lines removed. Thanks for watching.